In this video, we are going to discuss about the concept called super mesh. So consider the circuit. So here you can see there are four meshes are there, right? 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, but if you see, we can't write the equations for mesh 1 and mesh 2. Okay, so because here you have a 5 amp resist, so therefore so this forms a, so if I consider this is I1 and this current is I2, so I can write so I1 is same direction of 5 amp, so I1 minus I2 is equal to 5. Okay, so and in the current flow to this combined mesh, I can write it as, I can redraw it as like this. Okay. We'll spun it out. And this is 10 ohm and this is 12 volt or 8 it is. And I can tell this is this point, this one is called as combined. Okay. So this is called as combined. So I have combined mesh 1 and mesh 2. Okay. So this is I1 means this current is I2, right? And this one is I1 minus I2, right? So based on this combined mesh, I can write 12 is equal to 2I1, right? 2I1 plus 36, right? 12I1 plus 36 plus 8I2 plus 6I2, right? And this is nothing but I2, and if I consider this is I3 means here the I2 current is flowing in this direction, I3 is in opposite direction. Therefore, I can write 16I1 plus 8I2 plus 6I2 plus 16 I2 minus I3 plus 10 I1 minus I4. Then you can take this one as I4 and this one as I3. Okay. So this is I4 current and this one is I3 current. Okay. So I have left out this 4 as 4 ohm. So this I can reduce it further as minus 24 2I1 plus 14I2 plus 16I2 minus 16I4 plus 10I1 minus 10I3. So minus 24 is equal to 12I1 plus 30I2 30 I2 minus 16 I4 minus 10 I3. So I can divide the whole term by 2, right? So 6 I1 plus 15 I2 minus 5 I3 minus 8 I4 is equal to minus 12. Okay, so this is your second equation. So the first equation is this one. Okay, and consider the I3 meshes. So I can write 12 is equal to, so if I add this resistance, this is 30, 40. So 40 I3, 40 I3. 12 is between I3 and I4. Therefore, minus 12 I4 and minus 10 I1. Okay. So this is your third unit. Right. So here also I can divide the whole term by 2. So minus I1 plus 20 I3 minus 6 I4 is equal to 6. So this is your third one. So regarding the fourth mesh, total value is 28, 48, 48 I4, right? So 24 is equal to 48 I4 and 16 is between I1 and I4, I2 and 12 is between I3, right? So those I can write it as minus I2 plus minus 6 I3 plus 24 I4 is equal to 12. So further I can reduce it as 4 I2 plus 3 I3 minus 12 I4, that is equal to 6. Minus 6. So this is your fourth equation. So take the determinant and if you solve the equation you will get that. So this I can write it as you can see this I can write as 6 15 minus 5 minus 8 and minus 2, right? Picture. And here I can write as 1 minus 2 is equal to 5. Okay. 1 minus 2 is equal to 5. So next step, minus 5, or I can write it as 5 0 minus 26 is equal to minus 6. And likewise I can write 0 4 3 minus 12 minus 6. So if you solve, you will get, so you have to find the del value, right? So this is your del, right? 6, 15, minus 5, minus 8, 1, minus 2, 0, 0, 5, 0, minus 26, 0, 4, 3 and minus 2, right? This is your del value. You can find it out using the calculator. So if I want to find the I1 and I2 and I3 and I4, you can find out. Okay. So here also the power delivered by or observed by each of the voltage source and current source are equal. And current source. So you can find the power delivered and absorbed by the voltage source and current source. Overall, we can find the power absorbed is equal to power delivered. Right. So if I want to find the current across any, I think we can find it out. Okay. Suppose if I want to find the current at this point, here it is nothing but I3 minus I4. So this is I4 and this. So you can, if the question is how to find the current, if they ask what is the value of I2, you can find it out like this.